In this video, I will explain you how to find draft post on Facebook. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open the Facebook app, and then when you tap on what's on your mind to try to post something, so let's say I want to type in something, and then you tap on the X button, you're gonna see that you're gonna have this option which is save draft. Now, when you close the app, and as you can see here, it says your post was saved as a draft. So when you close the app and later on you try to post the same thing again, when you tap again on what's on your mind, you're gonna see that it's already here because Facebook automatically saved this as a draft, and then you're gonna be able to post it later if you want. Now, in order to get rid of this, you're gonna have to completely delete the post, or you can simply shut down your iPhone or Android, and then you're gonna not see this anymore right here, as you can see, like this. So basically, this is the only way to find a draft post on Facebook. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.